We know what it's like to work countless hours just to save up enough to go on a short vacation, return home, and then repeat. It's exhausting and it's not necessary.
You're here because you're so close you can almost taste it. A life where work becomes play and the whole world becomes your playground.
Over the last 5.5 years,
Over 28 countries and counting.
we have driven that truck halfway around the world.
Running our own business along the way.
It hasn't been easy.
But over the years, we have formulated a system that works so well, we have been able to start a family along the way.
Grow in greater health and skill.
In professionalism, in community, it's been a dream.
It looks so cool.
I'm Jesse Hart,
And I'm Catherine Hart.
and we left our home country back in January of 2020 and never turned back.
Driving all the way to the south tip of Argentina,
And then north up to Brazil, over the ocean to South Africa.
then north up to Kenya, over the Arabian Sea to Oman, Dubai, through Saudi Arabia to Egypt,
And now here in Cappadocia, Turkey, on our way to Europe in 2025. You're probably here because you saw one of our posts and got inspired.
or maybe you've been following us for a while.
Either way, what matters most is you took the first step.
You clicked and dove deeper into learning about a life of travel and work on your own terms. After many years of living this life of working and traveling, we're here to help you design a life that you don't need a vacation from.
Our course will not only enable you the best of the best book smarts that we've acquired over the last decade plus of professional travel, but also get you a lot of real life experience from actually doing this. So, where did this all start?
It started with the people, with you guys. A few years ago, back in Nicaragua, I started to go live on Facebook to answer all of the common questions. Everything from, how do you guys make money while you're traveling? How do you avoid sketchy countries? How do you guys do it living in such close quarters? And I started noticing these common themes. It was all about how. People were eager to learn, people wanted more. And eventually, it turned into a 30-day course that I did all by myself. It went super well, everyone did great, everyone got results, but I still felt like it could be better.
That's when I stepped in. We expanded upon the topics and turned it into a 12-week course over 4 modules. It was a hit. We booked up and got great results for our students.
Though it was expensive.
So we whittled the course down and wrote a book, The Complete Guide to Design Your Dream Job and Start Traveling. Now over 130 pages written from all the materials in our 12-week course.
This book is truly the best and most unique of its kind. Though it still doesn't have the personalized guidance that the course had. The detailed lectures, the stories and explanations, the accountability, and the guided holistic practices.
So still, it gets better, and that's what you're here for now.
This self-paced course is everything the live course used to be plus more. This time, you get a digital copy of the book, the 50-plus pages of PDF worksheets, bonus activities, pro traveler resources, sample templates for professional connections, access to private Q&A, a bonus one-on-one with us directly, and so much more.
You'll get lifetime access, so every single time we update it, you'll be notified. It's something out of a dream. What I would have given to receive this sort of information before I started traveling.
Everything included in this course is a bundle valued at over $1,000. Now for significantly less, check the details below.
Each and every one of our students got results, and we're traveling either by the end of this course or shortly after. See their reviews as well as over 150 more on our Google business page.
You've already taken the first step, showing up. Now all that's left for you to do is to keep showing up and you'll get the results too. If you follow this material step by step as we have laid it out week by week, it will work for you, we guarantee it.
If you start going through this course and feel like it's not aligned with you, within 14 days of the start, we will refund your money back.
All wholesome support here. Be sure to check the current deal.
Thanks so much for your time and attention.
See you inside.
Live limitless.